So here it is. Let's open up our Wyze cam, and it should be traditional. Look at that, traditional Wyze. I love it. We can slide our camera out. All right, let's get the camera out of this little cardboardness. And we'll go ahead and check out the other things. So, still micro USB. Very, very interesting. Little sticker for mounting, little plate for mounting. Then screws for mounting your plate. And then lastly, your included Wyze power adapter, and that's it for the box. Here is the Wyze cam. Ooh, it feels a little different. It's not like it's got like texture to it now. So they still attach the cable on the back. No idea why they're doing that. There's your speaker. This is the front though, with your camera lens, spotlight up here, and then the traditional little, wow, this is a much stronger stand, at least. Wow, but this stand seems way better. Nicely done. And then of course your setup and your micro SD card slot. My first impressions is there's some improvement here in this whole mechanism for mounting it. Like I know I could leave this and it would stay, and just it feels stronger in general. So very nice. That's a pretty clear picture. Very nice. All right, let me all right, and then lastly, of course, I can say this is a resolution audio video test on the Wyze cam. Speaker test, let's see how loud this speaker is. This is a speaker test on the Wyze cam. So let's throw in a nighttime audio video test right here. And so this would essentially be a nighttime audio video test on the Wyze cam. I think that'll do it for this video.